watching Action News Now. Storm Tracker weather, coverage you can count on.
The view today from Round Mountain in Shasta County, looking north, clear skies as far as the eye can see. Court Kloppings here with your forecast as we slide into the weekend.
Linda, a toasty end to your week across Northern California, and guess what? It's going to be staying fairly toasty heading into your weekend with temperatures similar on Saturday to what we ended up with this afternoon. So it's mostly mid to upper 90s projected in the valley. 80s for the most part in our mountain and foothill areas with the exception of the northern mountains. It could still top out in those lower to mid 90s. Temperatures this weekend are cooling down for Sunday into next week, and we also have the chance for some thunderstorm activity popping up in our mountain zones. Checking in with the winds, this is one of the reasons why we're seeing a bit of a cool down today compared to yesterday. South winds kicking in, Delta breeze influence, leaving us with that marine air traveling through the Bay Area north over the Delta and into our region. Similar conditions on tap for your Saturday with wind out of the south up to 15 miles an hour. Sunday looks like the wind might get a little bit stronger, a little bit more influence from the Delta breeze. Temperatures cooling down by a few degrees Sunday compared to what we'll even see on Saturday. Getting a check-in with what we've been seeing. It's been sunny outside today. High pressure off the coast still driving the sunshine and dry conditions in our forecast, but low pressure tracking in towards the west coast is what's driving the south wind to return. That's also going to drive cloud cover back north across our region. From early Saturday into midday Saturday, you can see early in the day a couple thin clouds over the northern end of the valley. Through the afternoon, that's when we start to see more clouds pushing through our higher elevations. Some scattered shower and thunderstorm activity popping up in the higher elevations, not out of the question. It does look a little bit more likely on Sunday, while valley areas stay dry and for the most part sunny. Monday, there's still a lingering chance for some active weather, mostly in the Sierra and Southern Cascades, while valley areas are mostly sunny to sunny and dry, and not much of a chance for showers lingering in the northern mountains. Will then dry out for most of our region by Tuesday and through the middle of next week, while temperatures trend down. Overnight tonight, falling into the 50s for the most part in the northern mountains, ending up in the low to mid 90s for the afternoon. 40s to low 50s in the Sierra overnight, ending up in the 70s to 80s for your Saturday. Foothill areas in the 50s to 60s in the early portion of your Saturday, ending up in the mid to upper 80s for the most part in the afternoon. And if you're in the valley, it's 60s for the most part overnight, with highs tomorrow back in the mid to upper 90s for the northern end of the valley, 60s for the mid-valley early Saturday morning, topping out in the mid-90s for your Saturday afternoon. Your Storm Tracker 7-day forecast for your weekend's always in view. Cooling down a bit on Sunday and temperatures sliding down into the 80s after that for Chico Monday through the rest of next week. Redding down to the mid-90s Sunday, lower 90s Monday through Wednesday, and then low to mid-80s with a chance for showers returning late next week.